What's going on, guys? Today I'm bringing to you Apex One AI. We've been covering this for a little bit, and I just wanted to go ahead and bring you another new updated feature about the platform. Make money with crypto pairs with smart farming technology. We've actually covered several other features of this platform in past videos, so make sure you check those out. As far as what we've covered smart AI farming, stable yield farming, and then the LTCT, which is called low touch client trading with the AI trading bot. Very, very cool. And today we're going to be going over the Smart Motion AI. So with that being said, get an unrivaled advantage with Smart Motion AI. There's three different plans here. There's stable strategy, motion strategy, and pro strategy. With this being said, the stable strategy aims to provide a low risk investment option for traders. So if you're a beginner, this might be a good one for you. It is designed to maintain a stable and consistent return on investment over time. The strategy is suitable for investors who prefer a more conservative approach and prioritize capital preservation. Whereas motion strategy aims to capitalize on market movements and fluctuations. It's designed to take advantage of short-term price movements and generate higher returns compared to more conservative strategies. This strategy is suitable for investors who are willing to take on a moderate level of risk and see higher potential profits. And then we've got the pro strategy, combining elements of stability and active trading. It aims to provide a balance between consistent returns and the potential for higher profits. The strategy is designed for experienced traders who can handle a higher level of risk and actively manage their trading positions. So those are a couple of the different variations between it. There's investment calculator here, and it'll show you what your potential ROI percentage will be. We will have to go ahead and get some Apex coin. So I'm actually going to go ahead and show you guys how to fund your account with Apex One from a external wallet, such as Kraken, which I have an example over here that we'll be going to. And I'll show you how to deposit your crypto, whether that's like USDT, USDC, whatever. And we're going to go ahead and show you how to do that right away. So how to do this is we're going to go over to the payment section of the website. Also, make sure you hit the link in the description if you want to join Apex One AI. It is an affiliate link below. I would certainly appreciate your support with finding out about Apex One from me. So let's go ahead and keep it rolling. So basically what you'll do is you're going to go to payments. You're going to go to wallets over here, and then we're going to wait for that to load up. Once your wallet has loaded, you're actually going to go ahead and click on the green receive button. So once we do that, we'll go ahead and go to the next section here. And also you're able to pay with Payeer, which is pretty cool as well. But in this example, we're going to just be transferring from an external wallet. So please select a wallet. So we're going to be selecting USDT. So I'm going to be receiving USDT. So we're going to click on that, wait for that to load up. Once you've reached this page, you're going to go ahead and select the network chain that you'd like to use. In this case, I'm going to stick with the Solana one. So click on that and then go ahead down and click on your address. Once you've done so, pop over to Kraken or whatever exchange that you're using or wherever your wallet is holding your funds. And we're going to go ahead and click over to withdraw. So we're going to click that. Next, we're going to go ahead and select what asset. So this case is going to be USDT. I'm also going to select Solana from the drop down. And now how Kraken works is you have to add the address and then you have to verify it through your email or whatever means that they ask you to do it. So make sure that you do that. Now that we've added the wallet, I went ahead and hit refresh, and now my wallet is populated. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to type in the amount that I'd like to withdraw, which is $250. Now we're going to hit withdraw USDT. Make sure that everything is correct. Tether, Solana, what your address is, the withdrawal amount, and here we go, withdraw. Verify it again, only a $1 fee here. So I'm actually going to add a little bit more. I'm going to add like $251 then, just because you don't have to do that, but I'm going to do that in this case. So there, and now we'll have a withdraw net total of $250 USDT. So we're going to hit withdraw. And then bada boom, bada bing, withdraw successfully submitted. So it'll take a little bit of time. It's showing over here my recent transactions. It's initiated. We'll probably wait a few minutes and then we should be right back. And then we'll check our Apex One wallet. Now, something I do want to mention is probably a good idea to actually have your funds coming out of a MetaMask type wallet. or like Trust Wallet or something like that instead of on an exchange like Kraken, because they do want you to actually post in a TXID or hash here. And then once you do that, hit approve. That kind of helps with the confirmation process. So if you are using like an exchange like I did here, like Kraken or like, Coinbase or something like that, or KuCoin or Crypto.com, any of that stuff, you may, some of these exchanges don't provide you a transaction ID. They might present you with like a confirmation number or something like that, but not a true transaction hash or anything. So you may need to reach out to support by using the little icon down here, or sending an email if your funds for some reason are hung up in the processing for a while. They can get you sorted out and get that pushed through for you and all that good stuff. So I just wanted to make mention of that. In a best case scenario, I would probably have my funds coming from like I said, like a MetaMask wallet or Trust Wallet or something like that. That way, once it confirms, you can put the TXID in here, hit approve, and then that will smooth out the process a little bit. As you can see here, we do have our $250 USDT now available to us over here. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to utilize the Apex Coin bridge. So I will show you this just to show you the SMAI is going to require us to basically use some Apex Coin. So we're going to need to definitely have that. So once we go over and exchange our USDT to Apex, we can come back here and get this process going. Now, first things first, I want to go ahead and click on the USDT, and then we're going to go ahead and hit exchange. Once we hit exchange, we'll have the ability to select the asset that we want to exchange for, and then we're going to go ahead and select Apex Coin. Once we select Apex Coin, you can select from any of the bridges here that you like to use. In this case, I'm going to continue to use Apex Smart for an instant transaction. We need to type in the amount that we want. So I'm going to just do 250. I'll just do $250. And we'll go with that. And then we're going to go ahead and enter our trading pin. Once we do that, we're going to hit preview. And then just note that fees may change at time of transaction due to slight network delay. So hit preview. And then now we're going to receive, once we hit confirm, we're going to receive 881 Apex Coin and some change. So we're going to hit confirm exchange. Now, if you pop over to wallets here, you'll see that you have about $248 worth of Apex Coin, as we have a little bit of a fee in there. So now we can go over to Apex SMAI, get an unrivaled advantage with Smart Motion AI. So in this particular case, as we kind of showcased already, the different plans, being that we have about $250, just a little under Apex Coin, we're going to actually type in the amount that we have. So that should be fine. And then now it says here, specify the amount at which you want to start with your investment. Please note some packages have a minimum deposit amount. So obviously we're wanting to do the 15-day lock here. And again, if you click on this, this will let you go, starting at 35 Apex coins. If you have more than that, you're going to have to pop up here to the motion strategy. So, but like I said, we already inputted the amount that we want, or you could use this nice little slider here. But again, if you go above the certain amount, it's going to require you that you change the period. So you click on this and now it'll, be green. Obviously we don't have that much balance, but I'm just trying to show you like what is possible and what you have to do for each tier. So again, I'm going to go back to this and we're going to just go back to 884.77. And we're also going to do this 15 days. So 15 days. This will show you the potential return on investment, which is about 31.59, about daily accrual amount and the contract period. So all that information is here for you. Make sure you select the one you want, which is 15-day period, the amount that you want, and then hit activate plan. Now you'll see all this data here summarized for you. And then what you'll do is you're going to hit start earning after you click the checkbox here. It's kind of hard to see, so maybe they can make that a little bit more opaque. So let's go ahead and click that. And then it says we consent to doing this basically. So hit start earning. And then now we wait. and it should be rocking and rolling. Collecting data for processing transactions, connecting to the cloud server, prepare configuration system parameters, configure smart motion cluster. I'm thinking it might be cluster. Maybe they need to fix that. I don't know. Starting up SMAI modules. We're going to wait for this to checkbox all the way through, and then we'll go to the next step. Okay, and once it has completed, you will now see that you have an active SMAI plan. So you can see here, that is the amount we've got. And then you can click on overview so that you can see all this fun information here. And it'll show you what you can do here, such as compound interest. You can increase your income with capitalization. You can also do stop loss and also do smart arbitrage, smart diversify if you like. And once this thing starts rolling, then you'll start getting daily accruals. So again, estimated profit for this amount is about $31.67. So do note that. And that is how you guys do the Smart Motion AI on Apex One here. And again, once you've got, once the unlock period of 15 days is completed, you can go back over to your wallets, and then this will actually be able to be transferred over to a personal wallet like we've done in the past with like Kraken or another one. And then you can send your profits over to whatever personal wallet that you have that is compatible with the currencies that they have available for transfer. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can see more videos from me here. And make sure you check out my previous videos on Apex One. I'll leave some of them here for you. That way you guys can be fully updated on all the cool stuff going on with Apex One and all of the different platform features such as SAIF, SYF, LTCT, and the Smart Motion AI. So thanks again, guys. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but I would advise you to check out my next video, the Alpha.